Looking for a reliable motherboard for your next AMD build, but your budget is tight? Then stick around until the end, because today we're checking out a motherboard that could solve exactly that problem. Affordable, solid, and still packed with everything you need? Sounds good, right? If you're looking for an affordable entry point into the world of Ryzen processors, this motherboard is just the right pick. It supports all major AMD CPUs up to the 5000 series, including the popular Ryzen 5 and Ryzen 7 models. Thanks to the AM4 socket, you'll stay flexible for the long run. For memory, you can install up to 4 DDR4 sticks, even running at speeds of over 4700 MHz in overclocking mode. That's more than you'd usually expect at this price point. Perfect if you want to upgrade later without replacing the entire board. There's also plenty of storage. You get a fast M.2 slot for SSDs and 4 SATA ports for traditional hard drives or additional SSDs. That makes it well equipped for both gaming and everyday use. The selection of ports on the rear I/O is solid. USB 3.2, 2 USB 2.0, HDMI, DisplayPort, everything you need, and networking won't be an issue either, with integrated gigabit LAN ensuring a stable and fast connection. One especially cool feature is the Smart Fan 5 system. It lets you automatically control fan speed, or even stop them completely if you want a quiet setup. Combined with solid power delivery and protections like anti-sulfur resistors, the board feels surprisingly durable, especially in this price range. Of course, there are a few trade-offs. PCIe 4.0 is completely missing here. That means you won't get the full performance potential with the newest graphics cards or ultra-fast SSDs. Also, the manual is pretty minimal, which could be frustrating for beginners during installation. But bottom line, if you're looking for a budget-friendly board that just works without unnecessary extras, you should definitely take a closer look at this GIGABYTE. If you're curious now, check out the latest deals in the video description. You'll find good prices and even more info there. So what are the pros and cons of this board? Pros: affordable entry into the Ryzen ecosystem. 4 RAM slots for easy upgrades. Good feature set with M2, plenty of USB ports and fan control. Solid build quality for the price. Cons: no PCIe 4.0 support. Limited overclocking options, minimal manual, and cramped SATA ports. If you want a solid, affordable motherboard that's compatible with Ryzen CPUs up to the 5000 series, without unnecessary extras, this model is definitely worth a look. Ideal for office PCs, home office setups, or budget-friendly gaming systems. Check the video description now for the best deals. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.